Here's another simple question. We have been given 5 molecules of oxygen gas in a vessel. There are only 5 molecules of the gas, mind you. The volume of the container is given, the temperature is given, and the speed of the 5 molecules is given. We need to find out the average speed and the root mean square speed of the sample. This question can be solved very easily. You just need to keep in mind one thing, that the general formulas for root mean square speed, that is 3 RT upon m, and for average speed, that is 8 RT upon pi m, these are not applicable over here because these are derived from kinetic theory of gases, and the assumption of kinetic theory of gases is that there are large number of molecules. Now since there are only 5 molecules, this is not a large number, therefore these are not applicable. Therefore always keep in mind this thing, when the number of molecules is very small, then the kinetic theory of gases, the results of kinetic theory of gases is not applicable. So we just go by the basic definition of average speed and root mean square speed to find out the answer over here. Average speed is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 plus V5 upon 5, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 5, that is equal to 3 meters per second. We get the average speed directly from this equation. Now we need to find out root mean square speed. This is equal to root over V1 square plus V2 square plus V3 square going up to V5 square upon 5. Therefore Vrms is equal to root over 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square upon 5. This is the sum of the squares of first 5 natural numbers, that is equal to n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6. This 5 was already there, so we write it here, root over, this becomes equal to root over 11 meters per second. So final answer, by the basic formula and definition, we get the final answer for root mean square speed to be root 11 meters per second, and the final answer for the average speed to be 3 meters per second. This comes out to be equal to 3.31 meters per second. So this is a final answer. One thing to note here is that Vrms is greater than V average. It is coming out like this. This is also true in KTG. Whenever you will see, by the formula also you can see, Vrms is equal to root over 3 RT upon m. V average is equal to root over 8 RT upon pi m. Even in this case, Vrms is greater than V average, and this is greater than V most probable speed. That is the speed with which the maximum number of molecules possess this speed, that is equal to V most probable. This is the order. The value of this is root over 2 RT upon m. You should also remember this order, and the final answer for the average speed comes out to be 3 meters per second, and for root mean square speed comes out to be 3.31 meters per second.